Okay, that's a crank, no star. I like to speak, today I'm gonna talk about crank, no star on a GMC vehicle, especially trucks. Here it took me 3 days. I was stranded on the road 3 days, man. I tried to figure out what's going on with my truck, and it wasn't starting. I crank it up all day long and try everything. I checked the fuel. Usually they have a two problem. If it's not the fuel, if the engine is not getting the fuel, you're gonna have this problem. But I'm getting the fuel. I have a fuel pressure and everything. The fuse is good and everything. Now I checked the spark and the spark plug. I don't have no spark, so it's clearly I have ignition problem. So in this case, I learned when you have an ignition problem in a GMC trucks, this is what you do. You go here in the driver's side, you look for the coiling pack. You find the connectors right there, and you find the black wire. Strip it, solder a wire to it, okay, like I did. Look, I got this wire. I got alligator clamp in one end. Now, what you have to do is just connect it to a negative part of the vehicle, and the chassis, part of the engine, alternator, even here where the ground is at. Oh, I drop it. Then start the vehicle. It should start right away. Check this out. I'm gonna connect mine on a negative. Start right up. That's what's up. All right. That's how you do it to YouTuber. Good luck.